Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Basecamp projects to local storage safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Basecamp account on your preferred web browser. Navigate to the specific project you wish to backup. Click on the project name to open the project dashboard. Locate the Files section within the project menu. In the Files section, review the documents and files you want to download. Select each file individually by clicking the download icon next to the file name. If your project contains multiple files, consider creating a folder on your local storage for better organization. Once all files are selected, download them to your designated folder. Next, return to the project dashboard to access other important sections. Open the To-Dos section to review tasks linked to the project. Take a screenshot or copy the to-dos list, as there is no direct export feature. Now, move to the message board section and collect essential discussions. You can either take screenshots or copy important messages for your records. Proceed to the calendar section, if applicable, to note any crucial dates. Consider exporting the calendar events manually. Note the dates, titles, and details. After compiling all necessary information, check if your project uses integrations or external tools. For integrations, access those tools to export any data linked to your project. Once all data is secured, double-check that everything is saved in your local storage folder. Finally, ensure that your backups are organized, clearly labeled, and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.